To check your account balance on PayPal tip jar, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Open the PayPal website or app and enter your login credentials. Make sure to use the account associated with your tip jar. Step 2. Navigate to the wallet section. Once logged in, look for the wallet option in the main menu. Click on it to access your account balances and linked payment methods. Step 3. Locate your tip jar balance. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Review transaction history. If you want to see recent transactions related to your tip jar, click on the balance. This will take you to a detailed view of your transaction history. Step 5. Log out securely. After checking your balance, make sure to log out of your account, especially if you are using a public or shared device. This ensures your account remains secure. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance on PayPal tip jar. Regularly monitoring your balance helps you stay updated on your earnings and manage your funds effectively.